Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in money management just for you. Today, we're tackling how to deposit money from Wise to HSBC in 2025. If you're dealing with international transfers or just want to move funds smoothly, this guide is perfect for keeping your finances on track. Let's dive in. First things first, why use Wise for this? Wise, formerly TransferWise, offers low fees and fast transfers, and by 2025, it's even more integrated with banks like HSBC. Before we start, make sure you have a Wise account set up and linked to your HSBC bank details. You'll also need sufficient funds in your Wise balance. Step 1. Log into your Wise account on their app or website. If you're new, download the app. It's user-friendly and secure. Once logged in, navigate to the Send Money section. Here, select your currency and the amount you want to transfer. Step 2. Add HSBC as your recipient. In 2025, Wise has streamlined this with updated bank partnerships, so search for HSBC and enter your account details carefully. Double-check your HSBC account number, sort code, and any required SWIFT or IBAN codes to avoid delays. Step 3. Review the transfer details. Wise will show you the estimated fees, exchange rates, and delivery time. Expect it to hit your HSBC account in 1 to 2 business days. If everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the payment, possibly with two-factor authentication for extra security. One quick tip. Always monitor exchange rates as they fluctuate. Also, watch out for any HSBC-specific requirements, like minimum transfer amounts, which might have changed by 2025. And there you have it. That's how you deposit money from Wise to HSBC. It's straightforward, but if you run into issues, Wise's customer support is top-notch. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped. Subscribe for more finance tips and drop your questions in the comments. Stay smart with your money. See you next time.